So welcome back to another video. It's nice to be back. It's been a little while. It's been nearly a week, and I'm just trying to make sure that I'm consistent with these videos so that I can leave some gems for you guys to go through. So here I've got EuroCAD. I'm just going to go through how I'm looking at this and where I see it going. So here on the monthly, we see that there's this uptrend here. So we see that there's this resistance line over here. So if I just place that there, and that there's consistent higher lows over here. And at this point, this monthly, which is going to close by next week, we see that it's going to close quite bullish as well. So I'm potentially seeing this going further up. So let's go down onto the weekly time frame. We see that there was a massive push last week, creating this bullish engulfing and Marubozu sort of kind of candlestick. Price action is between MAs for this week, and it is going to close possibly as a hanging man. I know this video is quite late. It's on a Friday, so it's probably we would want to see later sometime next week to see how this moves further. So what we see here is that there's a clear support area here, 1.4650, and we also see that there's this clear resistant level here at 1.5050. So it is responding off these areas. Also, I just want to go back closer into what's occurred during this week. So this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So this is clearly showing that it made its higher high, it's come back down to create its new higher low, rejected off MAs, and yesterday it closed this bullish Marubozu. So if we go down on the 4 hour, we can see that there's this little trend line here. So this is on the 4 hour. And MAs are up. So this point is a slight consolidation, and waiting to see if this is going to reject this counter trend line to continue going further up, or if it's going to break it to continue to the downside to where the support level is. So if we go on to the 2 hour, see that it's created a strong bearish momentum. So engulfing these two last candlesticks. So we can say that there is a minor resistance level there. So yeah, I'm waiting for some more confirmation to see whether this is going to come down here, rebound it, and continue going up. So what I like to look at is be flexible. So I want to go with the trend and not against the trend. As we spotted on the high time frames, we see it's quite bullish and that it can continue going further up. And here on the low time frame, it seems quite bearish on this end here, especially from this past couple days. Basically this area here. So it pushed extremely to the downside like it did here. And basically what we want to see is if it's going to continue coming up to this point here and test that resistant level, or if it's going to break this counter trend line, come down to the support level, which would be a good opportunity either way once we see a break from this price level or this price level down here. So on the 1 hour, we see this there's hanging man. It's rebounded off the resistance line, as we said. So what we want to see, if it's going to break down here, come further down, come retest it, create resistance over here using the counter trend line, and continue going making lower lows. Or if it comes here, makes a new higher low, and then comes up and makes a new higher high. So this would be another great opportunity coming into next week. And yeah, 15 minute, well 30 minute. Don't like to look at it too much because you never know what's going to happen next. But yeah, it's just good to get an insight that price actions below MAs, and that I do see it coming down, making another 20, 30, 35 pips. And on that note, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and press the red button to subscribe, and make sure you tune in to the next couple videos in the next couple of weeks for some more gems.